Hello friends, welcome back to Smart Coder. We are back with a video, and this is the third and the last video for our GCCMSG. And in this video we are going to understand all the API they are providing, and with the help of those API you can integrate in your web application or the mobile application. So first of all, we have the API that is get QR code for authentication, and before implementing any of that API and all, we have to first make sure our instance is working fine, and for that we have to go to the instance, and from there we have to click our instance, and then we have to log in here. And once we have this UI here, that means our session is activated in the server. After that we have to start doing the integration from the API and all. These are our APIs. So the first API is for generating the QR code and all. So here we have to put the QR code, and before that we have to click here, try it out. We have to put the instant ID, then the token, then we have to click here execute. So it's saying session already logged in because we are already logged in, so no QR code will be generated here. So in case you are integrating the API first time, like the user is not logged in that case you have to call this API so that QR code will be generated and user will be logged into the application. All you have to do this in your application or that web application or mobile application, both. After that we have the API for sending the message, and for that we are having the body. In the body we are having the numbers in the array format. If we want to send the message to a multiple number, that also we can do. Here we have the message, and that whatever the message we have to send, that we will put here. And here we have to put the instance ID and the token. We have to click here, try it out, then we have to put the instance ID, then we have to put here token. Then also we have the option for the interval also, like if we are having a multiple numbers here. So what this interval will do, if we put here 10, then first it send message to the first number. After the 10 second it will wait, then it will send message to another number. So for that purpose we use the intervals. So if you are keep on sending the multiple bulk message, WhatsApp will think like you are doing the spamming and all. In that case your number will get blocked. So for avoiding that you have to use the interval and all. So here we will put any number, and we have to put the message here. After that we have to click on the execute here. So you will see here message, that is message sent successfully. That means that message is sent successfully. After that we have another API endpoint. So the previous endpoint is for the post request, and another one is also the post request, but for the QR code that is the get request. So this one is for sending any document or any attachment. If you want to send to any message, that you can do. You have to click here, try it out. So here you have to put the numbers in that comma separated, then you have to put the message, whatever the message you want to send. If you want to send any image file, the caption you can put here. If you want to show any caption in the image, that also you can do. If you want to send any PDF file or any other file, that also you can do from here. After that you have to put the instant ID, token, and the same interval also here. Then you have to click the execute. It will send the message that will be having the attachment and all. After that we have the API for getting all the context from the WhatsApp and all. It will load all the context in the API response. After that we have the another endpoint, that is the logout. This will be used if you want to log out from the WhatsApp. For that purpose you have to use this endpoint. You have to put the same instance ID and a token here, and then we have to click the execute here. That will user will be logged out from here. And then we have the last endpoint, that is the reports. By using this you will get all the reports of the messages which you have sent. You have to put the instance ID here, token here, then the page size. Like if you want to show 10 record per page, then you have to put the page number here. Then you have to put the start date and the end date. So the start date and the end date, like starting of this date, you have to get the reports till this date. After that you will get all the response here in this format. So by implementing all this endpoint in your application, you will be able to integrate the WhatsApp API in your application, and you can have the advantages of using the message sending to your customer and all. So that's all in this video. So I hope you understand all the APIs and all, and also in the previous video we cover all the application they are providing, And in the first video, we have give the introduction of what is GCCMSG and what services they are providing. So by using this, you can have the WhatsApp integration in your application and all. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share. I will come back soon with another awesome video. Thank you for watching the video.